So I've just purchased this extremely cheap, this was $20 Australian including delivery, ozone generator off eBay. Now I've already taken the screws out, but one of the first things that I did before plugging this in was checking that there was continuity between the earth pin here and the metal case or the screws. But I thought that some people may be interested to see inside this unit, because as yet I haven't seen this particular variant on YouTube. So here we go. I'll take the lid off and you can have a look inside. So it has what seems to be these standard sort of modules. I think Big Clive powered one of these up and found it quite overpowering, and mentioned that should possibly be used with a fan, and that's how it is in this configuration. It has a timer switch on the front, which I think is pretty common, but I suppose maybe there's a reason. Correct me if there is a reason for this, but there's the earth pin, clearly not connected to anything. Seems a bit dodgy to me, but anyway, they sent it with a courier, and quite surprisingly, for the $20 I paid for this unit, to be honest, I'm surprised the courier didn't cost that much. Anyway, we might plug it in and see what happens. Right, so I've plugged it in. I'm going to turn the power switch on. It's turned off at the mains. I'm going to stay well away from this thing because I'm really not sure what's going to happen here. And I'm going to be ready to turn it off immediately. Okay. Perhaps we need to turn the timer on, so what I might do is just turn the mains off. I don't really like touching this thing. Okay, the timer is making a ticking sound. We will reapply the mains. Okay, it appears to be working. Oh, really ozony, very quickly. This thing produces quite a lot of ozone. Anyway, that's the insides of this unit. I'm going to get out of this room now. That is overpowering. Anyway, that is the quick, short teardown of the extremely cheap ozone generator from eBay.